Hey folks, today I'm with my buddy Tim and we're going to show you how to install the new Poultry net from Gallagher. First you're going to want to unpack and lay out your net. This helps you get an idea of the area and will make constructing it a lot easier in the next step. Once you have the layout you are happy with, start pushing in the posts and use the pegs provided to keep the corners tight. Finally, use the Velcro strap to close the start and end points of your net. This will also act as your gate. Now that your net is set up, it's time to set up your energizer. We recommend a minimum of 1 joule for the 82-foot net and 1.5 joules for the 164-foot net. Today we're using an MBS 200, which allows us to power our fence using a wall plug, a battery, or even a solar panel. The 3-foot ground rods used help us make this portable, allowing you to move it as you see fit. Now that our energizer is set, we run our turbo wire to the netting and attach it using the clips provided. And there you have it, a chicken run in 3 easy steps. Thanks for watching.